Hey guys, the best and worst cities to live in Australia. Reddit's ranking. The land down under. A tapestry of sun-kissed beaches, bustling cities, and let's be honest, a few spots that might make you reconsider your travel itinerary. Reddit users have chimed in with their unfiltered takes on Australia's best and worst cities to call home. Here's a snapshot of their candid opinions. First, the best cities. Wollongong, right? Nestled just north of Sydney, and Wollongong garners praise for its balance of affordability and coastal charm. Right? One Redditor highlights its reasonable cost of living, proximity to Sydney for commuters, pleasant climate, and beautiful beaches. The city also attracts a variety of touring musicians and comedians, adding to its cultural appeal. So Wollongong is the best city according to Reddit. As for the worst cities, Townsville, located in tropical Queensland. Townsville faces criticism for its high crime rate. A Reddit user points out that while it's not as perilous as some global hotspots, it's a place where you'd want to stay vigilant. Next, Alice Springs. Set in the heart of Australia, Alice Springs is noted for its desert climate and elevated crime rates. As one Redditor secondly puts it, it's a place where keeping your wits about you is advisable. Lastly, the Hobart. Despite its picturesque landscapes, Hobart surprises some with its high cost of living relative to its size. A Reddit user remarks on its expensive nature and the harshness of its winter, which might be a deterrent for some. It's essential to remember that these perspectives are based on individual experiences and may not reflect the broader reality. Australia's diverse cities offer a range of lifestyles, and what resonates with one person might not with another. If you're considering a move or visit, it's wise to conduct thorough research and perhaps spend time in these places to form your own opinion. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and catch you in the next time.